So, did our scavenger friend squawk?
He sang. Infernals have them rounding up all the townspeople they can, hauling them west. Barely had to put the screws to him.
When I saw him, he seemed pretty messed up. What on earth did you do to this guy? Traitor or not, he's still human.
He may be damaged goods, but not because of me. Have a listen.
I can still hear it in my head.
Hear what?
A blade. The one that woman found. Grabbed her, took her west with the others, but kept the blade for myself. Looked pricey, but it told me to give it to them.
It? The blade told you?
It's still...
Ah!
He hasn't said a word since. Could be faking, could be crazy. Either way, his fears seem genuine. If this blade does exist, we need to know more about it.
Arriving at forward position.
I passed through here once. Pre-invasion. A lifetime ago.
Not much left.
Advance team scouted a perimeter wall around the entire city. They're setting blast charges.
Good. Trip, any sign of those villagers?
Not yet. I'll take a closer look.
Infernals could be watching. Stay alert, stay alive. We have to reinforce this position. Got a plan? Heading there now. Finding a path. Where? Oh, God. Why wait? Some sort of supply cache. Poor bastard didn't get to use any of it. Heading there now. Finding a path.
Got it.
Base has been started, but there's plenty more to do. Oh, got it. We'll need more bobs. Make it quick. Why wait?
Ready to work.
Quick time. Making a beeline. Here I come. Heading there now. Finding a path. Gotta have a barracks.
Boot up complete.
Oh, I've been ready.
Still here. It's going up. I'm here to assist. Constructing. Sure.
Construction
Got a plan?
complete.
Where? Oh, God. Habitats are needed next.
Construction
Give me the
complete.
Give me the lowdown. Give me the lowdown.
Insufficient supply.
Will follow. Constructing. Placing structure.
Why wait?
Construction. Construction complete.
Now we're talking. Time to train some lancers. Oh, I've been ready. Oh, I've been ready. Let's get to it. Give me the lowdown.
Not enough
Oh,
luminite.
I've been... Position secure. Riker, time to knock on the front door.
Copy. Fire in the hole!
Give me the lowdown. Let's roll. Go, go, go. Give me the lowdown.
What was that? Full alert! Search for intruders!
Make it quick.
Not enough.
What does this kind of damage? I've been...
Let's hope we don't find out.
Oh, I've been...
Found the prisoners, but they're heavily defended. I'm showing the location of the infernal base.
More luminite, more boots on the ground. Copy. Warhawks, new objective. Give me the lowdown. Why wait? Quick time. Making a beeline. Where's the action?
They're sending patrols. Be ready.
Constructing.
Give me the lowdown. Let's get to it. Here I come. Heading there now. Finding a path. You...
Who needs to die?
On my way.
Give me the lowdown. Make it quick. Let's get to it. This looks ancient. Could be important. Let's keep our eyes open for others. Raise hell.
Always hated.
What?
Give me the lowdown.
Hi-ho, hi-ho. Ah, you scared me. Wonderful.
Where's the action? Make it quick. Where? Oh, got it. Why wait? I'll make it quick.
What's next? Eliminate. I'm off. On their 6.
Death wish granted.
I'm so ready.
It's going up. This should be
Not
good.
enough luminite.
Quick time.
These guys are brutal.
The lowdown. So are we.
Construction complete. Construction complete. Construction.
Another relic. This is worth taking with us.
Luminite.
Beeline. Here I come.
Hostile forces
Heading there now.
detected.
Finding a path. Give me the lowdown.
On my way.
Not enough luminite.
Give me the lowdown. Where? Oh, got it. Give me the lowdown. Oh, I've been ready. Why wait? Quick time. Making a beeline. Here I come.
I'm off.
I'll make
Ready. Ready or not?
it. Give me the lowdown. Heading there now.
Ready.
Give me the lowdown.
Not enough
Finding
luminite.
a path. Where? Oh, got it. Why wait? Quick time. Making a beeline. Taking them down. You lose. Game over. Where's the action? Time to beg. Give me the lowdown.
Not enough
Here I
luminite.
come.
Area secure, Commander.
And yet, I don't feel safe.
Reporting for work.
Time to raise hell. Heading there now. Oh, I've been ready.
Green is here.
We threw everything we had at them. Wasn't enough.
Not enough luminite.
Another relic. This is worth taking with us. Give me the lowdown. Finding a path. Make it quick.
We join the cycle.
Give me the lowdown.
Our forces
Let's
are
end
under
this.
attack.
Where? Oh, got it. Why wait? Quick time. Give me the lowdown.
They're loading the
Always
prisoners onto
hated
Havoc transports.
What?
Havoc. Scumbag mercs. They'd sell out their mothers just to get ahead.
Are under
Transports are lifting off.
Where?
We need to follow the prisoners.
Negative. If this stronghold survives, more people die. We finish this.
But their lives...
That's an order.
Understood.
Green is here.
Here I come. Heading there now. Wow. Look at all these parts. You lose. Where's the action? Finding a path. Where? Oh, got it. Give me the lowdown. This isn't any prettier from the other side.
supply.
Where's the action? Give me the lowdown. I'll make them pay.
Getting to work. Placing structure.
Our forces are under
Why wait?
insufficient supply.
Quick time. Give me the lowdown.
Good. More guests. Malak will be pleased.
Construction complete.
Malak comes for his prize. We will deliver you too.
Our forces are under attack.
Let's get to it. The blade. That scavenger was telling the truth.
Whatever it is, it must be important. Malak wants it.
And he's on his way, along with his entire army, the Red Right Hand.
No way we go against Malak and win.
We gotta get this thing out of here. Commander?
Yeah. Time to go. Warhawks, let's mount up!
All those prisoners. We lost them for this?